Nais mo bang maglingkod sa komunidad bilang isang uniformed personnel ng gobyerno? Baka ito na ang hinihintay mo. Inaanyayahan ngayon ang Reserve Command ng Philippine Air Force ang publiko na sumali sa kanilang ranggo at maging citizen soldier. Kung paano, alamin ang usaulat ni Raymond Tasoy.
Aktibo ngayon ng Reserve Command ng Philippine Air Force sa panghihikayat sa publiko na lumahok sa kanilang hanay at maging citizen soldiers. Ayon sa 23rd Air Force Group Reserve, mahalaga ang tungkulin ng reserve force sa komunidad at hindi lamang ito limitado sa usapin ng pagtitiyak ng public safety. Katunayan nitong Semana Santa, aabot sa 70 citizen soldiers ang dineploy sa Divine Mercy Shrine sa Marilao, Bulacan sa pangunguna ni Major Rolando C. Rodolfo, PAFR, bilang Deputy Group Commander at First Lieutenant Jose Luis Di Barillo bilang Administrative Officer. Naging katuwang din ng 2nd Air Reserve Center na pinamumunuan ni Commanding Officer Colonel Mark Anthony Yambing. PAF at Lieutenant Colonel Jose Paulo Delgado ang commander ng 23rd Air Force Group Reserve. Bukod sa pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at kapayapaan sa naturang shrine na dinagsa ng libo-libong deboto, naging katuwang din ng mga reservist sa pagbibigay ng medical assistance at pagtugon sa iba't ibang aberya na naranasan sa lugar simula April 13 hanggang April 20. Para sa mga nais sumali sa Air Force Reserve Command, dapat kayo ay isa sa mga sumusunod: Basic and Advanced ROTC graduates, Basic Citizen Military Training o BCMT graduates, professionals or degree holders with or without PRC license, graduates of MNSA at NDCP, key and technical personnel of government and private utilities and companies, elected or appointed government officials, incorporated officers, or retired military personnel, at deserving NCOs of the AFP. Kabilang naman sa mga requirements ang mga sumusunod: application for commission, duly accomplished, affidavit of non-pending case, duly notarized, biodata or curriculum vitae or SOI, full body picture, all original or white background, birth certificate or original NSO copy, college diploma, and transcript of records, authenticated by school registrar, COMELEC certificate, and certificate of canvass. For elected and appointed officials, PRC authenticated of certificate and board rating. For professionals with PRC license or board and bar passer, MNSA diploma, or transcript of records for MNSA graduates, advanced ROTC certificate, POTC certificate, and declaration of graduation and order of merit for POTC graduates, physical examination report, results of drug test, neuropsychiatry, dental and x-ray, laboratory, ECG, immunization, EENT, personally conducted in any private or government hospital, and result should be validated by PAF Hospital, and command clearance. Para sa iba pang detalye, maaaring bumisita sa airforcereservecommand.com. Raymond Tasoy, CLTV 36 News.